Hello friends, this is Chinmay Das from Ethereal Elixir, and in this episode we are going to try an authentic Odia dish. It's called Bonda Gobi Phada. You can also call it Cabbage Dosa. Whatever you call it, you must try it. This is very simple recipe but very tasty. So let's check the ingredients and let's try the recipe. To prepare this wonderful dish, first we need to chop the cabbage. I'm using a mandolin here. You can use a mandolin or a knife. I'm using a medium-sized blade, and this is how you chop the cabbage. Or you can simply use a knife and chop it. So whatever method you use, try to get uniform pieces of the chopped cabbage. I do have nearly 2 cups of chopped cabbage. To this, I add 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, pinch of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder. To this, I also add 1/4 cup of water. So mix it all good so that you get a binding. So the reason behind adding the rice flour is it binds the cabbages. My pan is really hot. I spray around a tablespoon of cooking oil on top of it and try to spread the oil around the pan. Now it's time to add the cabbage mixture. So sprinkle the cabbage mixture all around the pan, and with the help of palm and with the spatula, you can try to spread it evenly so that the cabbage mixture will join together, as we already have added the rice flour, so it helps in the block binding and this will be intact. So this looks like a cabbage dosa now, and I spray a bit of oil on top of it and try to shake the pan a bit so that the cabbage dosa moves all around, and that's when you know it's time to flip. So it's time to flip now. I flip it, and here you can see it's almost intact, a little bit broken on the edges. So with the help of spatula, I press it so that it will be together and it looks like a dosa. So cook it around 5 more minutes at medium on the other side, and it's time to serve. So I'm going to serve it with some pokhalo. The recipe for pokhalo, you can find it in the description below. And this is a very simple recipe, very healthy, and it's crispy on the outside, soft inside, and really juicy, and tastes extremely good with pokhalo. So please do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. You can also sprinkle a bit of chaat masala on top of it.
Hey guys, it's Nishka Das, and I'm going to be trying this Bonda Gobi Phada, which is a Oya dish, but you guys can call it Cabbage Dosa because it's really round like a dosa and it's made out of cabbage. So let's try it. So it's really good. The spices are really good as well as the salt. And it's crispy on the outside and really soft on the inside. So I also have some pokhalo here. So the pokhalo and the cabbage dosa taste really good together, and it's so awesome. So this pokhalo recipe is in the description below, or you can check it in the corner that I'm pointing to. So please do try this recipe and subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to smash that bell icon. Goodbye!